Right, in today's video I'm going to be applying this ESR tempered glass screen protector to my phone. So this previous screen protector out on it is wrecked. It's bubbled up from the sides. As you can see the crack marks. Well, I dropped it straight onto concrete face down. Even here you can see just where it's just wrecked. So what did we get with the ESR protectors? Now this is a good company, they do make good screen protectors. I've used them before. I mean, you get 3 in a pack. Got mine from Amazon. I can leave a link in the description if you want to buy some. And they do a good job. So the one that I had on already was an ESR one, and you can see that it's taken quite a hard hit, to be honest. So you get the little bumper frame to guard it, some pamphlets that will show you some instructions, and then that's got all your little bits and bobs in there, cleaning kit, the screen protector itself. So let's get these out of the way. Right, so let's open the cleaning kit first. I can get this open. So you get a microfiber little piece of cloth. You get your wet wipes in there, and then dust removal sticker as well. So let's get these instructions out of the way. We don't need those. So to start off with, I need to power off my phone. That's the best way to kind of see what's going on with the dust on the screen. Let's get my case off, which can be quite difficult to remove sometimes. Right, so that's off. Let's get these to the side. So we need to take this old screen protector off first, if I can. Yeah, that was absolutely wrecked. I don't know if you can really see, but that's rubbish. Right, so what we need to do now is make sure the screen is as clean as possible. So I can already see there's some dust marks there, but this is where our little wet wipe will come into use. Losing focus for some reason. So what we want to do is just give it a good wipe. I kind of normally just clean out the speaker grill here on the top as well. Get any dust out of there. Just want to wipe it all around. Then use the microfiber cloth to dry it all up. Make sure you just get all the way on the edges. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of dust sitting there, because the screen protectors obviously leave a little gap, don't they, to be case friendly, like a mil gap around the edges of the phone. So I'll give it a good. You just kind of have to check in the glare of some light whether there is any dust on there, but obviously if there is, we can use the dust sticker in a bit. So I'll just kind of give it a wipe off. You can see the reflection there. From what I can see, it does look good. So this bumper works both ways. So you just want to sit that on there without getting your fingers on the screen, just snaps on. It's a good idea to kind of give it a once over to make sure there isn't any dust particles. You can see some. I mean, generally if you just kind of do it all over the screen, just to make sure. I mean, this doesn't leave any residue on the screen whatsoever. But it is a good way of making sure that picks everything off. Right, let's get the screen protector out of the case. And you can see it says, if you can read that, lay this side on the screen, so the bit that's got the sticker on it, you want to just peel that off. Just double check again there's no particles on the screen. Looks good to me. And then just lay into the bumper, obviously matching it up. You kind of just want to give it a little tap. Well, I wasn't going to take the bumper off then, but you can see the air is just working its way out. Just give it a little zoom in there. So once all the air's worked itself out, see we got a little bubble there at the top, but we just use a microfiber cloth, push that out, and then just generally I just kind of press it hard, not too hard obviously, but I just go around the edges to push out any last bits of air trapped, and to kind of just make sure that it's kind of sitting on there firmly. And it looks like a good job. You might get tiny little bubbles sitting there, but even if they are, you can obviously try to work them out. Just push them out to the sides. If not, they normally disappear after a few hours, or at least within the first 24 hours. But that's the new screen protector on there. All fresh. Just how we like it. Get rid of this rubbish. I mean, you can keep these wet bites useless. Get rid of that as well. That can all get thrown away. So yeah. And they generally are really good screen protectors. You can check them out on Amazon. I mean, I've had to go through a few because I drop my phone quite often, a bit clumsy. I mean, I've always had it in a case, which I'll put back onto it at some point. And if the screen has landed on the floor, it's always been the screen protector that's taken the impact, and haven't broken my screen once. You know, I mean, I've dropped it. This last time that I've cracked the screen protector, I dropped it from, I would probably say, waist height. Landed screen first, took the full impact, and obviously shattered. But you get 3 in the pack, so if accidents do happen, you just swap them out, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm just out here trying to provide useful videos. Catch you later.